What is up, guys? We are back here with yet another video today. Happy New Year's, and this will be my last video in 2018, so please like it and comment and subscribe if you want. So I'll be showing you guys how to make a Shirley Temple. What you need is some Sprite, 2 cherries, and then some cherry liquid things. You will also need 1, 2, 3 ice cubes. Okay, first thing you want to do is pour the Sprite you want to have about that much. Just wait till it fizzes down. Maybe put a tiny bit more in it. Okay. Then what you want to do is, actually we could put about, okay, that's good. Just wait for it to fizz down. Okay, then what we want to do is add a little bit cherry liquid. Just about that much. I'd say about a teaspoon. Then you want to first you want to stir it. After you put 1, 2, then you just want to mix it up. Not bad. And that's how you make a Shirley Temple. Please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and have a great new year. Next video will be in 2019.